Hey everyone, this is Juana Lefter from NNC Services. Today, I want to bring to your attention a very interesting study that came out from the B2B Institute, and it is called Working Beta, the Rising B2B Decision Makers. Um, very briefly, this is a study for all of you marketers and salespeople out there who are targeting millennials. So let's say the people between 21 and 40 years, because these people are now becoming decision makers in major industries all around the globe. And you will find more details here in this study, but I would like to pinpoint just a few valuable information. Like, for instance, how important is the way these target consumers and B2B buyers are consuming information for your sales and marketing campaigns. And one of the most interesting thing you will see here is that over 70% of betas or millennials say their smartphone is their most important device in day-to-day life, compared to 50% among 41 and 64s. So you most probably are communicating with people who are reading the information about your brand, your products, your services on their smartphone. So whenever you are planning a new campaign or building a landing page or building a website or building any type of piece of content, make sure you are considering this. They are looking at it on their smartphone, most probably. Use video, use graphics, use infographics, use things that are straight to the point, short, effective, and they are easily reachable through their smartphone. This is only one piece of advice you will find here in the study, but the rest is absolutely stunning. Everybody should download it, read it, and learn more about their target market, because only if we understand our target market, our customers, we would be able to get to them with valuable information about our brands. If you want to learn more about how specifically you can target your prospects and your customers, you may want to take a look at our upcoming B2B Prospecting Academy online course. This is a 2 months long course designated for sales professionals as well as business owners and even marketers who want to learn more about how they can attract new leads and new opportunities for their business. Click on the link below this video and I will be glad to meet you there. See you.